Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Epic Games error. If you encounter issue like this, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes connectivity issues can cause errors. Try restarting your modem or router. Next is to force close the game. On your keyboard, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. And then in the Task Manager, find the Epic Games. Click on the End Task. If you encounter issues with the Epic Games launcher, ending its task and then relaunching might help resolve certain problems. And if the issue persists, you may want to restart your computer. A simple computer restart can help resolve various software-related issues. And then lastly, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up any saved data if applicable. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.